Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To all of my friends and family, how are you today? I hope you are in the best state of Iman and sound health. Ramadan Mubarak. As we are able to witness the beginning of this blessed month of Ramadan, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless us with His forgiveness, mercy, peace, and tranquility, and make us see the end of it and beyond with sound iman and good health. Amen. I've got these ingredients. I don't know what to make with them, but I'm going to try and do casero. I've got chicken, I've got 2 sweet potato, some potato, spring onions, and broccoli and cauliflower, then plantain. Let's see what I can come up with. Alhamdulillah, the potato are all cut and clean. Before I commence on my cooking, let me introduce you to some of the health benefits of sweet potato. Sweet potato is packed with a lot of vitamins like vitamin B6, vitamin D, A. Kindly do your research on this vegetable. This will enable you to eat more of it once you know the health benefits of it. Anyway, let me commence with my cooking. The amount of chicken that I'm using is approximately 1.2 kg, which is 4 chicken breasts. I will also set this aside. The next is to prepare my onions. While I'm preparing the onion, I would like to put the pan on fire. The next thing to do is to add like 2 tablespoons of oil. 2. Once the oil is hot, I'm going in with my onions. You keep stirring. You don't want the onion to be brown. You want it golden. The next thing is to go in with your chicken breast. You keep stirring. As we all know that I can't cook without adding my minced herbs. So I'm going in with my minced herbs. I'm using a teaspoon I mean. What's this minced herb that I keep talking about? Well, it's a combination of different kind of herbs like thyme, marjoram, basil, sage, and parsley. I mean. Next, I'm adding my tablespoon of grounded pepper, all the way from Nigeria. So this, and I keep mixing. This pepper is crushed. It's made by my mom. It's homemade. I love to cook with it as well, especially when I don't want to blend any pepper. I use this. The next is to add my ginger powder. These are all homemade spice, followed by the garlic powder. Keep stirring. One mistake that I make from this cooking is that I had the potato before I had the plantain. So the potato gets softer compared to all the other vegetables. So if you're going to be trying this recipe, try and add the plantain before the potato. The next is to add my jumbo with 250 ml of water. Mix well. I had the water and I also had the chopped tomato because I want it to cook well. I don't like the tomato taste to be raw. I mix it well, then I cover it to steam for about 20 minutes on low heat. While the chicken and potato are steaming, I use that time to prepare my cauliflower and broccoli. Do not throw your broccoli stem away because they are all useful. And these, and including the cauliflower leaf, don't throw them away. So I'm going in now with this. This has been cooking for like 10 minutes now. So I'm adding the stem, followed by the cauliflower leaf. And mix well. After 5 minutes of adding the stem and leaf, I'm going in with the plantain. Remember, I told you to add the plantain first before you add the potatoes and other vegetables. If you want the plantain to be cooked and you don't want the other vegetable mashed up. Anyway, let's continue with the process of the cooking. I've had the plantain. I'll mix well, followed by all the other vegetables. The pot is getting full now. I'm going to mix well and let it steam for another 5 minutes. I'm leaving it to steam. I did it tidy up. Just let it steam for 5 minutes on medium heat. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. This is the end result of my cooking. Kindly wait my cooking. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe. Lot of love. IWHAT.